In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these platforms, enabling you to automate workflows that include LinkedIn actions. The first thing you need to do is head over to the LinkedIn developer portal. This is where we'll create an app that's essential for our integration process. Creating an app is crucial because it allows us to obtain the specific details we need to establish a connection. Once you're there, you should see an option to create a new application. Follow the on-screen prompts to get started. After your application is successfully created, you'll need to focus on obtaining two very important pieces of information: the client ID and the client secret. Think of these as your app's identification and password. You'll find them listed under the app's details section. Make sure to take note of these because you'll need to use them in n8n. Now that we have our client ID and secret, let's switch over to your n8n instance. Here you'll want to navigate to the credentials section. We're going to create a new LinkedIn credential. When prompted, enter the client ID and client secret that you took note of earlier. This step is vital as it forms the bridge between LinkedIn and n8n, allowing the systems to communicate securely. With the credentials entered, there's an additional but essential step we need to address before our setup is complete. You must request access to the Share on LinkedIn product in the LinkedIn developer portal. This access allows your n8n workflows to perform actions that involve sharing content on LinkedIn, making it a critical component for tasks that include posting updates or articles. There's one final detail that needs attention: the OAuth redirect URL from n8n. This URL serves as a way for LinkedIn to redirect back to your n8n instance after authentication. Without it, the connection process won't be successfully completed. You'll find this URL in your n8n settings, and you need to copy this into the appropriate section within your LinkedIn app settings. After completing these steps, make sure everything is saved and double-check that all your entries are accurate. Errors in the client ID, secret, or redirect URL could prevent the connection from functioning correctly. If everything is in place, congratulations. You've now successfully connected LinkedIn to n8n, opening up a range of automation possibilities. With your LinkedIn and n8n integration now up and running, think about the innovative workflows you can build to automate routine tasks and enhance productivity. Whether it's auto-posting regular updates or gathering LinkedIn data for analysis, the hard work you've done here sets the stage for more efficient workflows. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find this connection as empowering as it is functional. Happy automating!